Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying support and avoiding battery blockers. Open Settings and navigate straight to Display or Lock Screen to locate Always On Display. Tap the AOD option to reveal primary controls. Choose a basic clock or minimal widget for now so the phone uses less power. Once done, make sure battery saver is off and the device is above roughly 20% so changes apply immediately. This gets AOD active and prevents the system from auto-disabling it before you finish setup. Now you'll customize what appears and when. Choose a clock face or add a widget and use the preview to judge contrast and readability. Pick a slim layout to save energy. Next, set the brightness level and scheduling, either always on or only during specific hours, and enable wake gestures if you want quick glance access. Finally, decide which notifications appear. Limiting to essentials reduces screen updates and battery drain. Make incremental tweaks and observe behavior for a day to refine settings. Finish by testing. Lock the device and verify the Always On display appears as scheduled and shows chosen items. If it fails, check power modes and motion or ambient display permissions. Some phones disable AOD under Extreme Saver or Adaptive Battery features. Make sure doze and display timeout settings aren't conflicting. If problems persist, restart the phone, toggle AOD off and on, or reset AOD settings. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most conflicts and restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.